First time racer. He's ripping.
5-6-41. 4-6-38.
3 laps left. 2 laps left.
4-4-81.
Final lap. 10 reading done.
And then 4-4-81 stands for Tucker.
7 Anderson. 7 Hilburn.
Turn two, turn two, turn two, turn two. Jack, Steve, Todd to check in. Jack and Steve to check in. Come on, Todd.
Go by Jackie then.
Turn one. Everybody is checked in. I have 4 marshals. Let's get them lined up in this order. Number 1, Jackie. Number 2, Tucker. Number 3, Steve Pease. Number 4, Sam Anderson. Number 5, Todd Coburn. And number 6, Kevin Coburn. Roll. And here we go. They're underway with Losi Sprint. Got a couple of out-of-state races in this one. And the 98 and 89. Watch turn number 2. Go wide. Turn 2. Turn 2. Turn 2. Caution on 2. Caution on 4. Caution on 4. 4, 4, 2. Turn 2. It is going to be CP out in front. No, there's going to stay stuck out in front. Jack 2, Sam 3, Steve 4, Kevin 5, Todd 6. Starting 22 out in front. Jack in the final stage, getting in the number 2 spot. Watch turn 2. Turn 2, they're everywhere. Tucker is off the turnbuckle. Come over here, Tucker. Back over there.
And I'm not sure who's getting up yet.
Alright. It is currently CC out in front, I believe. Nope, looks like Jan's out in front. Jan in number 2, Kevin 3, Tucker 4, Todd 5, Steve L. Oh, looks like Todd is out. Oh, that one left to the turnbuckle. And then there was more. Jack, Sam, Tucker, Steve, Kevin, Todd, your order.
2 minutes left.
Tucker and Steve both at the stop. Jack and Sam still going. Turn 2, turn 3. Now Sam has got the left front hanging out. And back underway. It is Jack, Tucker, Sam, Steve, Kevin, and Todd. Steve is trying to make that 4.6 seconds to Sam.
1 minute left.
Watch turn number 2. Watch back, turn 4, turn 4. Turn 2, turn 2. Pop the link, left front, off the wing. Good. Kevin and Todd both coming back out. Everybody's running again, well, almost. Start forward. And now everybody's back around.
Eatons. Cover Eatons. Go by Jack Eatons. Top hold and done.